Unpacking, add a card, a common English phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving into the meaning of the phrase, add a card. It's a common phrase, especially in today's digital world. Let's get started. The phrase, add a card, is made up of three words. 1. Add, to place or insert something. 2. An indefinite article, often used before a singular noun. 3. Card, a piece of hard material, typically rectangular, that contains information. So, at its most basic level, add a card could refer to placing a physical card, like a playing card or business card, onto a pile or inserting it somewhere. However, in many contexts today, add a card doesn't refer to a physical card at all. It often refers to entering the details of a debit or credit card to an online platform or software. This could be for making purchases, setting up accounts, or even for verification purposes. For instance, shopping sites. When you want to buy something, you might need to add a card to your account to pay. Mobile apps. Some apps may ask you to add a card for in-app purchases or premium features. Online subscriptions. To subscribe to a service, you might be prompted to add a card for monthly or yearly billing. To give you a better grasp, here are some sentences where the phrase, add a card, is used. Before checking out your cart, make sure to add a card for payment. If you want to enjoy the premium features, you'll need to add a card to your profile. For faster transactions next time, add a card to your saved payment methods. There you have it. The phrase, add a card, might sound simple, but its meaning can vary based on context. In modern times, it often refers to digital transactions and online platforms. We hope this explainer helps you understand and use the phrase confidently. Keep learning and stay curious.